Special Secretary. I would like to make an announcement officially today on behalf of Guksanim that there will be another promotion to the higher ranks. And it'll start with Mr. Jeff, if you come up, Mr. Joe, if you come up, Mr. Tony and Mr. Saidi, if you come up. They will be promoted to 8th Dan in March during CEP. Mr. Tony as well, yes sir? They will be promoted to 8th Dan in CEP next year in front of Guksanim in their headquarters. 8th Dan. Along with it, we're going to have classes 9th Dan that are going to be coming along. Mr. Jared, Mr. Gary, Mr. Den's not here, but Mr. Jerry, all of them tonight. Give me Blackbill. Let's give a big round of applause, please. So we will have 8th Dan and 9th Dan promotions at CEP. So don't miss out on that. There'll be a great celebration for them. But I just want to give them a head start or early notice to get that promotion going for 8th and 9th Dan. As Guksanim says before, we would love to see all of you to become 9th Dan, and I welcome you to be a 9th Dan club pretty soon. A club known as the Golden Child. Thank you, sirs, and thank you, everybody. Congratulations, and good night. We'll see you